students. Today's class will continue our discussion on analysis of total caves by plastic analysis. Okay. We have discussed some problems on this in last class. Today's class also will take 5 examples, and then I will take another class to. So let us start this discussion on this problem. In this example, it is given calculate the collapse load of the frame. This frame is shown like this. Here, MP is given the value on this beam. 2 MP is the value given on the columns. Now, the length is L here, and this length is 2L. Total load given 2P here. The load applied at the joint B. So, like the other problems here also, the number of reactions at each extent will be 336, and if we'll take 3 equilibrium equations, so the number of static integers will be 6 minus 3 is equal to. That is the static integers R is equal to. Now the possible plastic hinges will be 1 here, 2 here, will be here, 4 will be somewhere this beam, and 5 will be on this. There will be 5 number of plastic hinges. Degree of penetration is equal to 3. Hence, the number of possible mechanisms is equal to. There will be 2 independent mechanisms, like we have discussed in the other. One is the beam mechanism, other is the shear mechanism. But the problem here is it is 2 MP, and it is a. So while calculating this plastic hinges for the beams, it will take the beam. So everywhere here, and here, everywhere will be MP, because 2 MP in the frame, MP in the beam, so the lesser value is MP, so MP will consider. While you will calculate for these frames, you will find MP will come here and 2 MP will come here. Because 2 MP is the capacity. That keep in mind while doing the analysis. That should be. Now let us go to this problem solution. So as we have already discussed that the number of possible plastic hinges will be 5, and degree of indeterminacy is equal to the static. Hence, number of plastic possible independent mechanisms will be I is equal to N minus R. So out of 2 independent mechanisms, one will be the beam mechanism, and other will be the channel of shear mechanism. And as we are discussing in the every problem in the framing, there shall be common coordinate for both the mechanism, so that the combination is possible. To add the beam mechanism with the column of the shear mechanism. Now come to the beam mechanism now. Now in the beam mechanism, we have the span BC, span BC. We have MP here, and MP here, and also here will be because at the joint, MP is the lesser of the beam and the. It is UDL throughout. Total load is given 2P, so 2P by L is the value. And, this will be L by 2. This side will be L by 2, and obviously this angle should be same. And this is your delta. So theta means this will be. Now, what is your external work done. So total load is 2P. It will take 2P the total UDL and delta average delta by 2. Delta by 2 means delta is equal to L by 2 into theta. L by 2 theta, so 2 to cancel, so it becomes half PU. Now, what is your internal work done? MP into theta. Here MP into theta. Here MP into 2 theta. So this is also we have discussed that if there is a load 16 MP by L. Here is a P is equal to P, it will be 8 MP by L. This satisfies this earlier derivations. Now go to the sway mechanism. Now see the sway mechanism. Yeah. Now this is 2 MP, right? This is 2 MP, and this is delta. So here also the value will be delta. So both are will be same. So delta is equal to 2L. L is theta. So this is theta. This is theta. All will be theta. Now, why the hinges? Hinges will be at the fixed ends and at the beam has nothing to do here. It is only columns. Now, what is the work done? P into delta. So P into delta, delta is equal to 2L into theta. So P into delta will be your moment. Or work done. The work done. So this is the 2PL. Now, what will the value for this internal work done? 2 MP into theta. Here MP into theta. Here MP into theta. 2 MP theta. So 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. This can make you understand. So because it is MP here, it is MP because the value on the beam is MP, column is 2 MP, so accordingly the equations are being formulated. What we have discussed, the same thing has been written here. So P into delta, and this is 6 MP theta, so P MP by L. Now we have got here 8 MP by L by the beam mechanism, on swim again 3 MP by L. Now we combine both of these two and see the result for this combined mechanism. Then take the list of all these. Now see the combined mechanism here. Right. Here will not be this. This will not be here. That's a mistake. Has to be. See this 2 MP into theta, 2 MP into theta, MP into theta plus theta. Then your MP into theta plus x theta. Okay. Now, basically, there's a mistake here in this done. This hinge will not be here. This hinge will be there. The angle will remain 90 degree here. As you have seen that this at this joint there is some mistake while doing the drawing. If you go to this A, B, C, D, here it is A, it is B, C, and D. So at the top of this column AB, and the left of the span BC, there will be the angles when you added beam and column, that will be then 90 degree. So since they are these opposite in directions, so they will cancel out. Theta here and theta you will cancel, and the angle maintained at 90. Now here, because this angle will be theta, this angle, now this angle is theta, this angle will be theta 1 or phi, what you say, and this is theta or theta 1. And these, all these things will be here, here. Now, find this length was L, length is L. Where this hinge will form, it is not formed. So now it is a combined mechanism, it is not a single only beam mechanism, so that we can say that the occurs at the center of the. Like the previous problem, we can say here we can say x theta is equal to L minus x theta 1. So theta 1 in terms of theta we have find out, like we have done earlier case of so forget that this hinge is not present here. Let me clear all the drawings. And what will be here? This will be 2 MP into theta. Here will be no moment. So they will remain as 90 degrees. Here will be MP into theta plus theta 1. Here is MP into theta 1. Here will be MP into theta. Here will be 2 MP into theta. So this is the internal work done. Internal work done. Let us see the calculations. So here you see the external work done is equal to 2q L theta. 2q L theta means this is the 2q L theta, and then 2q by L x theta L by 2. Now this is P, this is 2L. So P into delta. Delta is equal to 2L theta. So P is acting here, is not given. We can give the this value P is acting. So P multiply with the 2L theta. So that is the Q made by 2L theta. The external work done, right? The external work done. And due to this UDL, so the UDL is equal to total load divided by the span, Q by L into, in terms theta, the delta is equal to x theta L by 2. So x theta L by 2, that we can take the value. And the internal work done will be 2 MP theta here, 2 MP theta here. So 2 MP theta, 2 MP theta. And MP into theta plus x theta by L, and MP into theta plus theta 1. So you can see here. Here. Now you can see this MP into this theta 1, MP into theta. So MP into theta plus theta 1. Here also, this is also MP. So MP into theta plus theta 1. So there will be two things, MP into theta plus theta 1, MP into theta plus theta 1. And theta 1 is nothing x theta by L minus x. So you put all these values, you will find that calculation. Theta plus x theta by L minus x plus theta plus x theta by L minus x. So now we'll find that this value, external work done, is equal to internal work done. Everything will come in terms of theta. You cancel all the value of theta and write the equation. So finally, we'll find out this PU into 2L plus X comes out 2MP by 3L minus 2X by L minus X. Now this to be the now PU is equal to this value 2MP 3L minus 2X by this. So the value to be least, you have to take dPu by dx is equal to 0, and so you know how to calculate these values in the form of u by v. So du by dv, so that du by dx, that is minus 4 into this v minus u, this 6L minus 4x dv, and when you multiply this will be 0. Right? So that you can take, and minus 4 also will be 0. So you can calculate this value. Finally, the value of x comes out to be 0.171L. Right? Comes x is equal to 0.1771L. Now you have to put this value in the equation of PU. Q was this. So put the value of x here, and now it comes to be 2.957 MP by L. So now calculate the three values. Now one value was were calculated in the mechanisms. There are 3 MP by L, 8 MP by L, 8 MP, 3 MP, and now it comes 2.957. So 2.957 MP by L is the least value among all the mechanisms. So we can say the collapse the frame will occur at 2.957 MP by L. Now see another example, example 6. What happens here, you see, here the load is not at joint here. The load is somewhere in the column. We have earlier problems, we have seen the load is given at the joint in the panel mechanisms. On the swing mechanism, now it is given. Similarly, here we will find out here the hinge, right? Hinge means 2. This is 3. So 3 plus 2, 5. So there will be static indeterminacy is equal to the static indeterminacy comes out. 3 here, 2 here, 5. 5 minus 3 is your number of equation of equilibrium. Number of plastic hinges 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here no, is already hinge support, so there is no plastic hinge here. N is equal to 5, R is equal to 2. The number of independent mechanism will be 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. So there will be number 3 mechanisms. Let us see what are the 3 mechanisms. C mechanism, and also one beam mechanism on the AB. Now in the AB, the load at the center. So there will be another beam mechanism on the AB, one mechanism BC, then there is sway mechanism. So you can now add the mechanism. But as such, there is a common coordinate as we have discussed for both the mechanisms, so that the combination is possible. Go to the beam mechanism AB. Now you see in AB, that is a load at center W by 2, and all the values are 2 MP. Now MP values are given different. So here the it is given 2 MP, it is MP. So while calculating for this joint B will have the least value, lesser value of this will be MP. Here also C, the lesser value will be MP. So accordingly, you have to calculate this moment capacity. Okay. Now see, it's 2 MP here, right? 2 MP here, MP here, 2 MP here. That center, so this will theta. theta, you can take this is delta. Delta is equal to L by 2 into theta. What is the work done? W by 2 delta. Delta is equal to L by 2 into theta. So this is the W by 2 L by 2 into theta. When the collapse occurs, W is represented as WU. Right. So now what is the internal work done? Internal work done will be 2 MP into theta. 2 MP into theta. MP into theta. So 2, 4 to 6, 7. So 7 MP theta. Now with 7 MP theta, what is the value of this now load? WUL by 4 theta is equal to 7 MP theta. So WU becomes 28 MP by 28 MP by L. We find from this mechanism for AB. Now let us go to mechanism of BC. BC, not AB. So this value is not AB. BC. Mechanism for BC. So for BC span again, everywhere will be MP. So the column has 2 MP. So this column has 2 MP. So everywhere will find MP. Theta, theta, 2 theta. Result of W delta. Delta is equal to again L by 2. This is the basic concept. Now we'll put here. Let's see what the value is coming. Now we see what is the internal work done now. Just multiply the plastic moment capacity at hinges into the rotation. So MP into theta, MP into theta here, MP into theta here, MP into theta here. Similarly, external work done is equal to this load. This is WU. So WU into this value is delta. So delta is equal to L by 2 into theta. The geometry. So multiple. Now W L by 2 theta external work done is equal to internal work done. So WU becomes 8 MP by L. So find from this mechanism W is 8 MP by L, and we find from that mechanism it is 28 MP by L. This is lesser 8 MP by L. Now go to this panel mechanism now. This is the panel mechanism. What will happen in the panel mechanism? This is 2 MP and this here it is 2 MP. Here it will be MP. Here it is MP, and here there will be no plastic hinges because this is already hinges. So what will the total internal work done? WMP into theta. Here MP into theta. Here MP into theta. Because beam remains straight. Only this way, relative displacements between this point and this point remain same. So this is the value of this your internal work done. What is the external work done? For external work done, we calculate the value like this. There is only one value, W by 2. What will the external work done? W by 2 into this deformation. Let this deformation be delta 1. What will the value of delta 1? Delta 1, if you consider this triangle, this is theta. So we can take tan theta is equal to theta is equal to delta 1 by L by 2. So delta 1 is equal to L by 2 into theta. So this is equal to delta 1. So external work done is equal to WU by 2 force multiply by displacement delta 1. And delta 1 is equal to L by 2 into theta. So directly deviated L by 2. So this becomes WU. So what is the total? Now calculate this load. Your internal work done is equal to external work done. So you put these two values. WL by 4 theta is equal to 4 MP theta. So W becomes 16 MP by L. Now from all these three, what we find out? If you take all three mechanisms, beam mechanism 1, beam mechanism on the frames, and here we have found out 8 MP by L. So 8 MP by L is the list now. Let us go to the load combinations. If we go to combined mechanism, it will be like this. We will combine this beam mechanism with this sway mechanisms. We will find it come like this. So here, this angle will remain as 90 degree, right? This angle will not change as we are discussing time to time every time. So this is theta. It will be theta. Their center. This will be 2 theta. And here the capacity is MP. Here the capacity will be also MP. And here there is no capacity because here and here will be 2 MP. Now here there is a load W by 2. And if you will combine this, it will be W by 2 into this delta 1. This is delta. Delta 1 is equal to L by 2 into theta. This delta is also L by 2 into theta. So it will take the external work done. The WU L by 4, W by 2 into L by 2 into theta. Here also WU into L by 2 into theta. External work done. But the internal work done, 2 MP into theta. And here there will be no plastic rotation moment. Here is MP into 2 theta, 2 MP theta, MP 2 theta. Here will be MP theta, here will be MP theta. Both beam and column are disjoint because these angles are of the same side. So you can take this value. Now it becomes 8 MP by L. Now by combining, you will find 8 MP by L. So what is the least value we will obtain? Another thing, 4 mechanisms. So 8 MP by L, 10 MP by L, 8 MP by L, and 28 MP by L. So the least value becomes 8 MP by L. It can also be the another mechanism. You can consider yourself combined mechanism. You can combine this with your sway mechanism. That is also possible another mechanism. And you can try. But the least value will come here. So these are some problems. So we discuss on this. Let us discuss another 2 problems on here. Now in this problem, you are required to find out the plastic moment capacity of this. Now we have discussed all the problems regarding calculating this. What is the ultimate load or collapse load for the frames? Here we'll see how to calculate this plastic moment capacity. Now, so this is a portal frame given. The both ends hinged, and there's a UDL acting on the beam 10 kilonewton per meter, and here it is 25 kilonewton is given the horizontal load. So span is given 8 meter and the height of the column meter. A and D both are hinged, and the same as the uniform plastic moment capacity. Now, what is the number of static indeterminates here? 1, right? Because this is a hinge. So in the hinge, there will be 2 unknowns, that horizontal reaction and vertical reaction. Here will be also horizontal reaction and vertical reaction. So the number of unknowns is the 4, and number of equilibrium equation 3. So static indeterminacy will be 1. But the possible hinges will be 1 will be at B, 1 at C, 1 somewhere on this span. Number of plastic hinges. There will be no plastic hinge will form at A and D because both are hinged. Already they are hinged. Moment 0. There is no plastic hinge will develop on the joint A and D. Now with this, we'll try to find out these values of the mechanisms. So let us see. There will be two independent. So the n minus r is equal to 2. So one mechanism will be the beam mechanism, other will be your sway mechanism, tunnel mechanism from the span BC. Now in span BC, you have this length is equal to what the span BC length 8 meter. So 8 meter means this is 4 and 4, right? So here we'll have 4 meter, and this side also will be 4 meter. And here will be MP, MP, and MP. Here is MP because the moment capacity is same throughout. So symmetrical means it will theta, theta, and 2 theta. So now this delta. So delta will be equal to 4 into theta. So it is here 4 theta. Now, what will the internal work done? MP into theta, MP into theta, MP into theta. So it comes out to 4. What the external work done? WU into L by 2 half. L by 2 into theta. Now, your L by 2 8, 8 by 2 into delta. Delta is equal to 4 theta, not theta. Delta is equal to L by 2, that is 4 into. So average work done, you have to take WU. Okay. So W is the taken total load, so we can put the value 10 kilonewton per meter into half into L area under the diagram. L half L by 2 into delta. Okay. So that is being taken here. So delta is equal to 4 theta. This is basically delta, not theta. So L by 2, 8 by 2, delta is equal to 4 theta. Area under the graph, and we have called area under the curve. We can add this thing. So half this is L to delta, the area. Multiply the intensity of loading. That is the partner. So WU is 10. So it comes out to 160. So from this relationship, MP comes 30 kilonewton. Let's go to the sway mechanism, tunnel mechanism or sway mechanism. Now come to here. Here you have this height is 4 meter. The hinge, there are no plastic hinge will form. So hinge will only form at joint B and joint C. Now this angle is theta, this will be theta, this will be theta. Delta is same and same here. So they are at the same level. So delta remaining same. So delta is equal to 4 times theta. Right. So what is the work done? 25 into delta. Delta is equal to 4 theta. So 25 into 4 theta. 100. Now what is the internal work done? MP into theta. MP into theta here, and MP into theta here. The value no plastic moment here and here. The value 2 MP theta. 2 MP theta is equal to 100. MP is equal to 50. So we have got 40 kilonewton meter in E mechanism. Now here get 50 kilonewton meter. So let us go to this combined mechanism. In the combined mechanism, what will happen? Everywhere is MP, so there will be no hinge here because they will be plus minus cancel these rotation angles. So that will be your only here there will be no hinge, here there will be no plastic hinge, only it will occur here and here. The capacity is MP. So this here MP into theta, this is here MP into theta, this angle will remain same here, same. And here it is MP into theta plus theta 1. Theta plus theta 1 because here we have a UDL. Here we have a UDL. Because it is a combined section, you cannot say it is exactly occur at the center. So let it be occur at distance x from this joint from here. From here, let it be at distance x. Take the beam section. It is like your thing. So this is theta. You can take theta 1 or phi, what you say. Let it be at a distance x. Okay, so this will be theta plus theta 1. This is the beam. So we have to solve this. Let us go to the problem. What will the work done? MP into theta plus theta 1, MP into theta 1, MP into theta. 2 MP into theta plus theta 1. So to find the relation between theta and theta 1. X into theta is equal to L minus X theta 1. That is the relationship that we can. Now we can see here the plastic hinge forms at distance x from B in the span BC. So x into theta is equal to 8 minus x. So this length is 8. So this is x. This is 8 minus x. So x theta into 8 minus x theta 1. Now as I told, internal work done will be MP into theta plus theta 1 here. And here will be MP into theta 1, MP into theta. So it becomes 2 MP theta plus theta 1. In place of theta 1, put the value of in terms of theta, that is x by 8 minus x into theta. So we can write here this implies theta 1 in terms of theta, so x by 8 minus x. Right. Okay. So this will find out what is this values. This is the internal work. It comes out with 16 MP theta. Then what is x? X is cancelled. 8 minus x plus x is cancelled. So 8 into 2, 16 MP theta by 8 minus x. That is the internal work. What is the external work done? Calculate from the loads. What are the loads given? So there are loads here 25 kilonewton. Here also 10 kilonewton per meter. So now calculate the value. External work done will be equal to 25 into 4 theta. External 25 4 theta means you have applied a load here 25. This was 25, and this is your delta. This was delta, and this is theta. This was 4. Delta is 4 theta. So 25 into delta becomes 4 theta. For the UDL part, this is the 10x into x theta by plus the 2 part. Divide into 2 part. Divide into 2 part. So part x, 8 minus x. Now the work done due to here the load and here the load. And take also combined, that can be considered. Now this being taken part, n into x half area under the curve. This is theta, delta. Delta is equal to x theta. So delta into 10 into x, 10 intensity of loading. So x is the length, delta by 2, so x theta by 2. Similarly, 10 into 8 minus x into delta. Delta is equal to, again you can take x theta by 2. Okay. So you can take the value delta is equal to x theta by 2. So with this you can find out these total values will come as 20 into 5 plus 2x into theta. And that's 100. Take 20 common outside. So that will give the value of. So we could have also taken like this also. So what is the span? So doing this, we can also do what is the span of here given? Span is 8. Span is 8. One can also do total load half into 8 into 10, right? Half into 8 distance 8 into x into delta. Can without doing this, we can also find like this. Rather than going all these things partly, we can also do the other way. How can do? We will, this is the 100 theta. So it can find the 40x theta from directly. You can find out. Alternatively, you can think of. So this is your delta, right? Delta. This is 10 kilonewton per meter. Okay. And this is equal to span is 8 meter. Right? So area under the curve we can take. We have what 10 into half into L, okay, and into delta. So this should be our total work done by this loading. Right? I am correct. So the area under the curve half L into delta because it's a triangle. And now I will put the value 10 into half L is equal to 8, delta is equal to x theta. What the value now coming? It's coming 40 x theta. So I think instead of doing part, you can directly do this. So that will be easy and you get the same answer. So in some books it has given part. So don't take this way and go for a lengthy calculation and confusing yourself. You can directly take that whenever their intensity of load is there, area under this triangle. So what the area under triangle? Half L to delta. And if you multiply the intensity of loading, that is the work done. So you can find the same value. It will come 40. We have got here 40x theta. So this can be obtained in this way. So you can do that. Okay. So this is alternatively you can do, and now it becomes this one. So now 16 MP by theta by 8 minus x, that is the internal work done, that is equal to external work done. So MP now comes. Now here this MP is in terms of x. MP is in terms of x. Now what we have to do? We have to find the maximum value of MP because the moment should be the maximum or the greatest among all the values. So MP to be maximum, dMP by dx equal to 0. I will put dMP by dx 0 and you will try to solve it. You will find out x value. So x comes out to be 2.75 meter, which is less than 8. I between 0 to 8. Now again put this value 2.75 in this equation. Go back to here and put here again. Okay. And you will find 68.91 kilonewton meter is the plastic moment capacity. Now see what are the other things we have found. If I remember, we have got 140, 150, right? We had got 50 here. We had got 40 here, right? 40, 50, and now we combine. We got this value as 68.9. So now you think the highest value or maximum value is 68.91, and that becomes your that is your plastic moment capacity. Taken maximum value. Let's go to another problem here. Calculate the ultimate load. Now here is asked calculate the ultimate load for the frame shown here. In this frame, what is being done? This is different length. It is 4L, 3LL. Same thing, 3L, 4L, 3LL. So load is at eccentrically loaded, not at the center. And also the value of MP is same everywhere. MP is same everywhere. Let's see, we have already done similar problem. And here also you find 336, the number of unknowns. The 3 equations are available. So the degree of static endurance 3, and where we'll find the formation of the hinges. One hinge will be here, one will be here, one under the load, one here, and one. Five plastic hinges, and 3 will be the reactions redundancy, static redundancy. So there will be 5 minus 3, 2 mechanisms. So 2 mechanism means one will be the beam mechanism, one will be the sway mechanism, and then we have to combine. Let us see. Now go to beam mechanism. This is the beam mechanism. Okay. Now here this theta value will be different. If this is theta, this will be theta 1. So I have already explained number of times to you how to make this relationship. So this delta will be mentioned, right? So delta is equal to 3L theta is equal to L phi. Take this is phi, this is theta, to L phi. Now phi is equal to 3 theta. So here phi is equal to 3. That is how it is updated 3 theta. Now 3 theta plus theta, this will be 4 theta. So accordingly, you have to find the equation. Now what is the external work done? Phi p into delta, and delta is equal to you can put either 3L theta. Delta is equal to 3L. The internal work done, MP into theta, MP into 4 theta, MP into 3 theta. So 3, 4, 7, 8 MP theta. You can see here 8 MP theta in the calculations. 8 MP theta is equal to load is 5 PU, delta is equal to 3L theta. Load is your 5 PU, it is not PU, 5 P. So P becomes PU when collapse occurs. So 5 PU to 3L theta, 15 PUL theta is equal to 8 MP theta. So it becomes the PU comes 8 MP by. It will come to this sway mechanism. What will happen in the sway mechanism now? This sway mechanism you will find it is here will be theta, 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 because these are symmetrical everywhere, and P into delta is equal to 4L theta, and MP theta, MP theta, MP theta, MP theta. Everywhere find MP into theta, 4 MP. So now it is come MP by A. Here it was 8 by 15, and which is less than MP by A. Point around something 0.6, 0.55 something. So now it is MP by A. Now come to the combined mechanism now. So in the combined mechanism, what is happening? Now this angle will be remain as 90 degree, right? This angle will remain as 90 degree. This is delta. This will be earlier we have seen. If it is theta, this will be 3 theta. Okay, this will be 4 theta. This angle theta. This angle theta. Everywhere is MP. So internal work done will be MP into theta, MP into 4 theta, MP into 3 theta, MP into theta, MP into theta. So it is like this: MP into theta, MP into 4 theta, MP into 3 theta, MP into theta, MP into theta. Now, what is the work done? External work done. So 5 pu multiply delta. Delta is equal to 3L theta. That is 5 pu 3L. Now this p into delta 1. So this delta 1 is equal to 4L theta. So p into 4L. 19 pu. So what is the value? I have to come to the value. It comes out to be 10 MP by 19. Now which is least? 10 by 19. Then you have MP by L. So it is discarded. Now it is 8 by 50. So out of this, find out the lowest. So the lowest value comes out to be 10 by 19. So 10 by 19 will be considered as the collapse load. Collapse load or the least load for these mechanisms. Okay. Now you can find out similar way. If you get some problems like this, and we can see this. Another example we can do now for these problems. Let us go for our blackboard. Now, what is being done here? Suppose a problem is given like this way. And this problem is given like this way. So, how will find out? Same problem, but the fixed stand is L by 2, L by 2. Let me take the example. Here is P, L by 2, L by 2. Okay, and here it is also P, L by 2, L by 2. Now there will be 3, 3, 6. Okay, so possible hinges 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So number of mechanisms will be 3. Okay. A, B, C. Now if you come to the mechanism, B mechanism, find out here it will be like this. Everywhere is MP. Everywhere is MP. So here it will be PU. Okay, and this is theta. This is theta. This is delta. Okay, at the center. This is delta. So what will find out? MP into theta. This is 2 theta. Here will be a hinge. Here will be a hinge. Here will be a hinge. So MP into theta. MP into 2 theta cos MP into theta is equal to P into delta. So P into delta means delta is equal to L by 2 into theta. So Pu into L by 2 into. So theta theta will cancel. Now what will find out? We'll find out this comes out to be 4 MP by L. So 4 or 8. We'll find out it comes out by 4 MP theta is equal to this. So this indicates as Pu is equal to 4 into 2, 8 MP by L. So this is mechanism for this BC. Okay. Now we'll find the mechanism 2 for this AB. It will be similar to like this. Same thing will happen. I am not going for that. We'll find this is same. This is Pu. This is theta. This is theta. This is delta. This is L by 2. Here will be MP. Here will be MP. Here will be MP. So by like the similar problem here. Also here find Pu comes as 8 MP by L. Now if you come for the sway mechanisms. If you go for sway mechanism, how will find out? In the sway mechanism, we'll find out. It will go like this. Okay, we have already done this. So there will be a plastic hinge here. There will be a plastic hinge here. So this value will be theta. This also theta. This will be theta, and this will be theta, theta, MP, MP, MP. Okay. So we can do is, but here there is a load acting. Load is not acting. Load is acting here. So this is your delta, and this is L by 2. This is also L by 2. So this multiply by this L by 2 into theta. So that will give the value of your uh, mechanism. So what will this now Pu into delta, that is equal to Pu into L by 2 into theta, and MP is equal to MP into theta, MP into theta, MP into theta, MP into theta. That will be 4 MP theta. So this also gives Pu is equal to 8 MP by L. Pu is equal to Pu comes out to be 8 MP by L. Now let us go for the combined mechanism. Here in the only one previous problems we have not combined this with this. I am going to combine this plus this. What is coming in, let us we combine that two mechanisms. What will find out? It will come like this. The purpose of doing this problem is to combine these two things. We have not done here in one problems. We have left it. Okay. Here there will be hints. Here there will be hints. Here there will be hints. And here there will be hints. Now see what the value coming. This is theta. This will be theta. But here the values will be 2 theta. Okay. Now here this value will be 2 theta. Here will be 2 theta. Because we are keeping this value delta same. Delta is same here. Delta is same here. Delta is here L into theta. Here delta is equal to L by 2 into this theta 1. So to keep same, this must be 2 theta. Delta is equal to L by theta. And here delta is equal to L by 2 into some angle phi. So that must be 2 theta. It will be L into theta. So these angles will be 2 theta. That is the only change we have to see here. Now what will the force here? This Pu. Okay. Now what is the work done? Pu into 2 theta into L by 2. 2 theta into L by 2. That will be here MP into 2 theta. MP into 2 theta. And then plus MP into theta plus MP into theta. So what is total? 6. So now it becomes these 2 cancel, theta cancels. So Pu into L is equal to 6. What is the value of Pu? So Pu comes as 6 MP by L. This is one combination possible which we have not explored last time. Okay, that is why I have done that. If you can combine also this, you can combine what? You can combine this with this. You can combine also this with this. You can combine this with this. So in one case we combine first case this plus this. I will combine this plus this. Okay, mechanism 1 3, mechanism 2 3. So 2 3 we have combined. Now we can combine 1 3. Okay. If you combine 1 3, what will find out? It will come like this way. Now it will come like this. So as you have done in all the cases, it will come like this. So this will be theta. This will be theta. And this will be theta. All of theta. This will be theta. Here there is no plastic hinge. So they will be combined each other. Here will be a hinge. Here will be a hinge. Here will be a hinge. Now you will get here Pu your. Here comes Pu. And here also come your Pu. So this type problem also we have done. So now MP. So MP into theta. MP into 2 theta. MP into theta. MP into theta. MP into theta. So total will come 6 MP theta. 1, 2, 3, 4 plus 2. That is equal to Pu. This delta is equal to L by 2 into theta. And also that is equal to PU into L by 2 into theta. Now if you solve it, you'll find your PU comes 6 MPa by A. So last time we have not considered that. Now we have taken this. So in all case, the least value comes 6 MPa by A. So this we conclude this class. Thank you for attending this class. Have a great day.